Hey guys, atleast gamer here. Oopsies. I didn't mean to say that, but yeah. Hey guys, back again, making another today's video, playing Pixel Gun 3D. And in today's video, we're gonna be opening the super chest. So yeah, let's go and open it. So first we have to open 2 of the 500 key chests. So let's open it. Hope we get a good one. Fingers crossed. And we get. Ooh, not too bad. We get the rising sun. Okay, now I want something good. Okay, go. Not coins, come on. 150 coins? Seriously? That was so bad. And I can also open this. Let's see what we get from this. And we get gems, okay. Now, let's open these until we get the super chest. Coins. And I think this is the last one. Gems. 10 gems. Okay, time for the... Wait, what? Are you serious? Okay, let's just open this 5-1. We get 1 gem. 1 gem. We're gonna do it one more time, so nope. I don't want any of them. Weapons. Not coin. I hate coins. Okay. Time for the big one. I'm really hyped. What are we gonna get? Only... I don't know. Okay. I'm ready. Go! I'm closing my eyes. What did we get? Gems. 100 gems. Are you serious? The worst lucky chest ever. I have 195 keys left. I'm gonna save them for this. So yeah. So now let's see what we got. 700 gems. Not too bad. We can buy. I just really want to buy a weapon now that I have so much gems. This Champion Mercenary, I just really want it. I don't know. I can just buy it doot doot, but I'm not. Just kidding, I am. Just nope. Not. I don't know. Sir. That was the worst opening ever. Super chest, you suck. This is okay. That my hand is just covering the screen. I can't do it. Thumbs down. But yeah, you suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. I could have got the Robot Samurai or 1,000 gems. Instead, I get 100 gems. At least it's gems. If it was coins, I would yell. And I got that sunset thing. Where is it? I want to see it. No, not there. No, wait. No, not there too. Background. Rising. Oh, wow. That looks insanely amazing. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. Now look at my thing. Oh, wow. It's really, it's so bright. And for you guys, it's even brighter. But hey, at least it changed our thing. It's like it was winter, now it's not winter and it's the morning. So yeah. Now let's just, I don't know. I really want to buy a new gun. Really. I want to see the reviews of these 2 guns, and I'm going to be back with which one I should buy. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And even though for you guys it's still a second, and turns out Champion Mercenary is better. So I'm gonna buy it. Why not? I just bought it, and yeah. Oh no, not that. My brother showed again. Yay, okay. Let's go to cargo ship. on duel, and I'm gonna see you guys there. Never mind. Right when I paused the video to see you guys there, it just started. So yeah, that was weird. Let's use this. My aim is terrible, and I just killed him. Wow, that was good, dude. How? Okay, yep, they were right. This thing is a beast. So yeah, and I'm gonna skip forward when it's oh, never mind, it's already round 2, and we lost that round. No, how could we lose? How? I also have my Excalibur, and now I can actually show it to you guys now that I don't have to like, oh come on, I died again from this. Oh no, what? How did? What? My mind is upside down now. Okay, new round. Let's go. Come on. Why are you taking so long? Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm done with these people with them stupid stuff. Like shooting me with anti-champion and the champion, like they're shooting me with everything. Champion weapons are the best. Okay, let's go. They're gonna win because my team sucks. Let me reload this thing real quick. Bro, how did I... Okay, I'm done with this map. I mean, I don't know. Okay, let's just go and do something easily so I don't die. So I can... Whatever. Let's just go. Team Strike was the worst one for this. I don't know why I chose it. Let's go on Team Fight or Deathmatch. I'm gonna say... What? Wow, that was a voice crack right there. Okay, deathmatch, and what is wrong with my voice? And let's do pool party. And it's connecting. Pool party. There we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, he has it too. And I killed him. Oh, wow. I'm so happy I bought this thing. I'm killing them over and over again. Oh, no. Ammo's done. My ammo is done. I need ammo. No, I need... Oh, no. No, that's not ammo. No, stay away from that. Okay, thank you for killing me. Now I'm gonna have refill my ammo. Is there anyone here? Anyone? No. Someone's been shooting at me. Who was that? Oh wow, I'm already first. Oh look, little diaper baby is here. I hate you, little diaper baby. And someone killed me with the astro bow. The thing that's like the best. Die thing. There, I killed him and I also killed myself. But I don't care because I'm happy. What is this guy baby doing? I'm just gonna kill him with my yo-yo. Dude, this gun's so good. Oh, you think you can just do that? I think you can't just do that. Yeah, the mega gun thing is so good now. They buffed a lot of guns up. I know they definitely buffed up the Champion Mercenary, but they also buffed up the mega gun. It's so overpowered right now. Bro, just die, please. And he killed me, wow. Yay, victory. So, yeah. That chest opening was the worst. And I really hated it. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna save up for 500, I don't know, keys. And I'm gonna open again. I'm gonna open it again, yeah. So, I don't know what that was. So, yeah. This stupid lottery is so, like, wow. So, yeah. I don't know what to say. I could have got that. I could have got the safe. I don't know what that's called. The anime something. The robot samurai guy. And the Eva. I still think I'm saying the Eva name wrong. I could have got 1,000 gems or 1,000 coins. I don't really care. Because I have like 6,000 coins right now. And I probably have like 700 right now. I'm 7,000 right now. From the chest opening. So, yeah. I don't know what that was again. My camera keeps moving. Stop it. Stop it right now. So yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And what was really hilarious was that mistake at the start. Where it said, hey guys, and like a skybar. And yeah, these chests are like the best. Go back. The keys, I mean, these are the keys. You can buy them. I didn't buy them. I actually worked for them. So, and I also have proof, but I'm not going to show you guys it. I'm going to show you guys in the next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. What? Okay. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.